In this video, I'll show you how to install Fluffy Manager 5000 for Resident Evil 3. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the Fluffy Mod Manager and select WinRAR and select Extract to. Once extract done, right click on the reframework and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Drag and drop the extracted Fluffy Mod Manager folder inside of the game. Now close stuff here and drag and drop this din put 8.dll inside of a game folder. Once you're done, open the Fluffy Mod Manager. Open modmanager.exe. Choose game, scroll down and choose the Resident Evil 3 Remake. Choose game folder, choose the game's install folder. Navigate to the games folder. Select the game folder and select folder option. Select the mod list. Now check my video description for this mod list. Make sure you choose to the mod that supports RTX version of the game. In mod name says RTX and non-RTX. This means this is support both version of the game. Make sure to install the RTX version of the mod so it can work on new updated game. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this mod. Once you download the mod, go to downloads, drag and drop the downloaded mod zip inside this mod manager. Jill, turn on the outfit, go back to mod list. Same way you can install any mods, but make sure the mod is enabled in this mod list. Now minimize this and launch the game. Once you are in game, as you can see the costume doesn't change. We need to manually change it. Press escape key and go to costumes. Go to Jill and in here the costume doesn't appear. Select the default option and now press the escape key. In default the costume is appear. That's how you can install any mods for this game. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.